Welcome to Ooma Home Security. This video will show you how to set up your new Ooma Home Security system. To get started, you'll need your Ooma Telo, your new Ooma Home Security sensors, and an iOS or Android smartphone. Step 1. Connect your Telo to internet and power. Your Telo requires a persistent internet connection to Ooma's data center, which, in turn, sends you notifications about your home. After you connect your Telo to internet and power, the Ooma logo will turn solid blue when it is ready to set up Ooma Home Security. If you are a brand new Ooma customer, you will first need to activate your account. You can do this at ooma.com/activate. Step 2. Install the Ooma Home Security app. To get the Ooma Home Security app on your iOS or Android smartphone, open the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Ooma Home Security and download the app. Step 3. Log in. To log into your account, open your newly downloaded Ooma Home Security app. Once you get to the login screen, log in using your Ooma phone number and password. Step 4. Verify your emergency contact information. The app will ask you to verify your E911 address, which is where emergency responders will be sent in the event that 911 is called using your Ooma Telo. Then, verify your contact information. This will be used to send you phone call, SMS, and email notifications about your home if you want them. Step 5. Add sensors. Once you've completed the initial setup, you can pair your Ooma Home Security sensors to your Ooma Telo. Follow the in-app instructions. The in-app instructions will also show you how to set up notifications for your sensors. That's it for this video. If you want to learn more, check out our playlist of additional Ooma Home Security videos below. If you have any issues, you can always contact our support team at support.ooma.com.